Welcome back to the Davy Brown 990 restoration. For those of you new, my name is Barry. Today, this is the practice piece that we first bashed off for the repairs to the bonnet. As we found out the other day, that sits in there beautifully. So we're going to tidy this up. First little job today, we're going to get all the dangerous spikes off here, because this was just a quick rough cut to see if my little jig would work and see how difficult it was going to be. I'm going to tidy all the dangerous bits up and then we're going to fit it into that hole today. Let's crack on. Right, now, happy with that, we'll fit it into there and we'll get it roughly cut to the size and shape of the opening, and then we'll get it fitted properly. Let's get what bonnet set up out here. Right, so we're nearly there. We'll put a few tacks on here and get rid of the magnet and finish off, get it welded in today. Right guys, that's it. That's the second radiator patch welding into place and ground off initially. And I'm saying initially because we'll come back and we'll revisit all the patches. They need a bit tapping with a hammer, they need a little bit shaping, and they need a little bit tweaking before we go and put filler on them. You kind of just put filler over the top of that lot. As TC says, welding is an art that is learned through practice. You cannot do any of it through theory. You can with an engine, you can read the book, you can learn how to take it to bits, you can take it to bits, it will go back together and it will work if you follow the book. You can't do that with welding. Welding, unfortunately, is just hours and hours of practice. And unfortunately, my practice has got to be live on the bonnet because I cannot afford to go and buy loads and loads of bits of steel to practice on before we start welding on the bonnet. Right, as always, your time is greatly appreciated when you come visiting us to see what we're doing in the garage, messing about with our bonnet. Guys, if the video has been useful and you've liked the video, please like and subscribe. 82% of our viewers are not subscribed to the channel. Can you imagine how much more the channel will get promoted through YouTube even if half of you subscribed? It costs nothing to subscribe, it is free. All you got to do is tick the box, tick the notifications, and you will be notified the next time we put a video up. Right guys, remember, don't overthink it, it's only nuts and bolts. I'll catch you in the next one. Ta-ra now.